At Okaya EV Private Limited, we have adopted the lean manufacturing processes with focus on safety and quality first approach. With 4 world-class vehicle manufacturing units and 9 state-of-the-art key components manufacturing units, equipped with latest technologies and best manufacturing processes, we are all set to provide end-to-end EV solutions fulfilling all our customers' requirements. We have strict and stringent parameters to select our suppliers who have adopted technologically competitive practices to supply the best raw material for our EV and components business. All raw materials and parts are only developed further after rigorous testing and validation under extreme climatic and rough usage conditions. Before going into production, all parts and raw materials have to clear rigorous process of inspection and testing. Parts are validated for technical specifications and dimensional integrity to ensure the precision and functioning of the finished product. Chassis, which is foundation of scooter, goes through spectral analysis at our laboratory to ensure that their chemical composition, physical and mechanical properties meets the standards. After being tested, steel tubes are processed through cutting, bending, matching process and then passed to the weld factory to produce the EV chassis. At each station, robots move and weld chassis, moving from stage to stage. Each chassis is automatically welded precisely by robots to meet global welding standards. This process results into a world-class quality chassis having uniform welding shape and consistent optimized weld penetration for electric vehicles. This robotic welding process eliminates the potential failure modes generated due to manual welding, which can be critical during vehicle operation and can lead to chassis failures in field. Each chassis moves through 14 stations actuated by 28 robots. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds to complete each weld with best-in-class welding robots installed by Panasonic. This results in no weld spatter on weld and other high-severity welding defects, along with ensuring excellent weld quality. Chassis then go for electro-deposition coating, popularly known as ACED coating, to ensure long-lasting life, unlike most manufacturers who use cheaper powder coating process. This ACED coating is done in 16 stages process where pre-treatment, activation, phosphating, rinsing and then deposition process is done to give long life to chassis to withstand harsh environment. Chassis have to qualify a severe 25 points critical check in PDI before getting fitted with other small parts. All plastic parts are molded at our state-of-the-art molding plant equipped with latest and brand new molding machines running 24/7 to produce flawless ABS and plastic parts. After painting, the quality of the surface finish is examined by experienced and skilled quality team to ensure the finished part is as per required standards. Okaya EV have chosen LFP technology for its EV batteries, lithium ferrophosphate, popularly known as LFP technology, which can withstand high temperatures and does not easily catch fire. LFP batteries have 2000 cycles life as against 1000 cycles in NMC technology used by most manufacturers. This gives double life to battery and hence double range to electric vehicle, facilitating our esteemed vehicle owners with long-term cost saving compared to NMC battery vehicles. Every cell is undergone the charge-discharge cycle to ensure right cells are used inside the battery pack and no substandard cell gets into the battery. Entire cell charge-discharge data is automatically stored in the computer system for any time reference to ensuring traceability. These cells are then welded into packs and assembled into batteries. Okaya uses die-cast aluminium containers which act as heat sink to maintain cooling inside the battery pack, which enhances life cycles. Containers have IP rating of 67, which ensures dust and water ingress protection, resulting in safety of battery pack and avoid events of catching fire. It also has pressure vent for maintaining the air pressure inside the battery pack as desired. Okaya does not only adopt the assembly process for battery packs, but it involves stringent quality process and top machines to evaluate the manufacturing process at every level. Batteries are then tested for capacity, high voltage resistance and charge-discharge cycle, short circuit, overcurrent and overvoltage, ensuring reliable and durable product to give energy to our electric vehicles. With 4 decades of Okaya battery experience, we are equipped with latest technologies of manufacturing of batteries with best-in-class raw materials used in batteries, which comes to you with longest life and safest battery, thus making your EV safe. BLDC motor. Okaya manufactured BLDC motor, which involves several stages. The first step is to design the motor and its components. This involves selecting the appropriate materials, determining the motor specifications such as voltage, power and speed, and designing the rotor, stator, windings and other essential parts. The stator, which consists of a series of windings, is prepared for coil insertion. The copper wire is wound around the stator slots in a specific pattern to create the electromagnetic field. This process is automated using coil winding machines. The rotor is assembled using the fabricated rotor core and permanent magnets. The stator, with the windings in place, is combined with other components such as bearings, shafts and housings to create the stator assembly. Before proceeding further, the complete motor undergoes testing to verify its performance and quality. These tests ensure that the motor meets the required specifications and operates safely and efficiently. Once the motor passes the testing phase, it undergoes final assembly. E-scooter motor controller involves several stages to create a functional and efficient electronic control unit for the electric motor. It begins with the design and engineering phase, where the specifications and features of the motor controller are determined. The necessary components such as integrated circuits, power electronics, capacitors, resistors and connectors are sourced. Finally, the motor controllers are packaged and prepared for shipment to be integrated into e-scooters during assembly. Our electric scooter consists of hundreds of parts which are assembled through 28 different process steps. We have a current capacity of producing one e-scooter every 55 seconds from each vehicle manufacturing unit. Each scooter has a detailed quality record and a unique identification number for traceability. All parts used are in line to government guidelines and ICAT for CMVR compliance. These parts are also rigorously tested and qualified at our incoming quality control for functionality, fitment and performance, and then allowed to be used for electric vehicles. As an average, 5 tests are conducted on supplier parts in incoming stage at Okaya plant, besides entire testing and validation along with 100% PDI being conducted at vendor plants. Finished scooter is then taken on dynamo machine for field driving simulation. 20 tests are automatically conducted by this machine to ensure a reliable scooter rollout. Then scooter goes for on-track real-time drive and pre-dispatch inspection on conveyor where 100+ checks are carried out. All data is captured in central computer for future use and tractability. Before dispatching trucks, dock audit is conducted on vehicles and trucks are specifically designed to handle electric two-wheelers to ensure safe transport of the vehicles to distributors. And pre-test by ICAT for each vehicle model and variant for CMVR, coupled with 4 decades of electronics expertise and 3 decades of battery and software experience to select best raw material, design technology and process. Make every electric vehicle you get to drive safest and with longest life. We at Okaya EV are committed to deliver safest and longest life vehicles to our customers. Safest vehicles and longest life vehicles so that our customers remain ahead always. This makes Okaya electric scooters technology safest and long life as well as best in the class.